Okay, let's continue. Let me select initialize methods, copy, then we are going to comment it out, then paste it. So basically keep the original source, then I'm going to make some changes to these initialize methods. You may see a checkbox in the TreeView. So that's the idea of revising these methods. This is coded as a checkbox TreeItem. Implementation is straightforward. You can use checkbox TreeItem rather than TreeItem. You may need to import. So okay, Alt Enter. Okay, if you look at it here, I already imported. So let's continue. Add checkbox in front of TreeItem. Okay, last one, we need to set cell factory for TreeItem. So basically we are changing default behavior to checkbox for TreeView. So TA category, set cell factory. We are using checkbox tree cell. For TreeView. So let's build. Run this project. As you can see, now we have checkbox in front of category names, in front of items as well. So you can select. That's how you can use checkbox tree view. Let me comment it. Then let me go back to original one. So on comment, see here is the original one. Okay. Sometimes you like to edit your tree view by double clicking item. So this is actually simple. You can use SceneBuilder, or you can actually type it. So I will show you both. So if you want to make the tree view editable, you can go back to SceneBuilder, make sure you select tree view. You can just turn it on because by default is turned off. Okay, then save it. You can run it again, or you can actually do it as a coding. TV category, name of method is set editable. You can change to true. Default is false. So if you look at here, when we double click three items, we should be able to edit that actually we are using text field tree cell rather than default, so you need to use a cell factory to change the default behavior. So here, set cell factory, text field, tree cell, and for TreeView. So you can actually click, okay, let's say pair, double click, change to pineapple. Now you can edit one item. Sometimes you like to see what you are doing, or you like to trace the changes. You can do that with onEdit commit. So let me name as a handler, handle TV edit commit. Save it. Go back to fxml, add method. Here, this time I'm going to just use a system out println. Okay, the event here, you code it as a string edit events. And it has a method called get TreeItem. So if you select the item called apple, it's going to return apple. Okay, apple changed. You like to see whole value or original value. For example, if we change from apple to pineapple, you like to see old value called apple. Then of course you like to see new value, something you just type it. So we can say a new value, string edit event, we can get a new value. So if we type pineapple, this is going to return pineapple. Okay, looks like okay. Maybe I will add one comma here. Let's build it. So we have a pair. Okay, just look at it. I will change to pineapple. So old value was a pair, as you can see. Then a new value is pineapple. Then TreeItem was actually pair. Okay, that's how you can edit TreeItem. So let me have a look whether I made any mistake or not. I think there was two mistakes. Actually not a mistake. I set the cell factory for TreeItem. Then I think there was another one called cola. Okay, I was initially going to change, edit using edit function, but just let me change to cola here. Then you can see that now the drink has a cola. Okay, you can still edit. That's all. Thank you.